Most people get this wrong when they start playing Blackout Bingo. They think winning is all about luck. But here's the truth no one tells you. The biggest difference between consistent winners and everyone else is speed, accuracy, and smart game selection. In this video, you'll learn the best Blackout Bingo strategies for 2026, including the mistakes to avoid, how experienced players maximize their scores, and how to improve your chances of winning without taking unnecessary risks. Let's get straight into it. The first strategy is simple, but incredibly important. Focus on speed before anything else. In Blackout Bingo, players usually receive similar game boards. The winner is often the person who completes objectives faster and more accurately. If Alex takes 3 extra seconds to find numbers during a round, those seconds can be the difference between winning and losing. A great way to improve is by playing lower pressure games first. This helps train your eyes to scan the board faster. Over time, recognizing patterns becomes almost automatic. But here's the problem. Many players rush too much. This is where most people fail. They tap quickly, but make mistakes. Every incorrect tap can cost valuable time. Instead of playing as fast as possible, focus on playing smoothly and accurately. Speed naturally improves with practice. Now here's where it gets interesting. The next strategy is learning power-up timing and special game mechanics if they are available in your version of the game. Many players use features immediately without thinking. Stronger players understand exactly when a boost creates the most value. Spending a few games learning the mechanics can give you a noticeable advantage. In a minute, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to improve your results. Before that, let's talk about game selection. Not every match offers the same experience. Some players jump into higher stakes games before developing consistent performance. A smarter approach is to build confidence and consistency first. If John averages strong scores in lower level games, moving up gradually often works better than rushing. Another overlooked strategy is eliminating distractions. Turn off notifications. Play in a quiet environment. Use a stable internet connection. It sounds simple, but maintaining focus can improve reaction times significantly. Now, for the easy win I mentioned earlier. Track your performance. After several games, look for patterns. Are you making mistakes in certain situations? Are specific game modes producing better results? Small adjustments based on your own data can improve results more than random guessing. One final reminder. No strategy guarantees victory every time. Blackout Bingo is still a competitive game. The goal is to improve your consistency, accuracy, and decision-making over the long run. To recap, focus on speed with accuracy, learn game mechanics, choose games wisely, remove distractions, and track your performance. Follow these strategies consistently, and you'll give yourself the best chance to improve in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tips and strategies, and leave a comment sharing your favorite Blackout Bingo technique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.